G'day, I'm Mighty and welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. This morning I'm here with my family. We're down at Corbett Port, near the Corbett Port Tower, and we're doing a spot of fishing. Now, I've got to be honest, I know some great fishermen, but I'm not one of them. However, our local fishing shop, Tackleberry, has hooked us up, see the pun there, hooked us up with some sabiki rigs, and these are, we have been told, are the way to catch fish here in the port. So let's give it a shot and see how it all goes. So the sabiki rig basically consists of a small basket in which you put the bait and then a number of hooks. On this one we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hooks. So 6 hooks, and all we have to do is cast it out and see what happens. Here we go. Cast it out. Let it go for a bit. Close the gate. Wait. Oh, he's got one. Look at it. Look at that. It's a beautiful day out here today. It's about 23, 24 degrees. Oh. 23, 24 degrees. Slight breeze. See the clouds. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. See, that didn't take long. Here you come, Mr. Fish. Here we go. Saba. Excuse me. With this style of fishing in this location, there's hardly any time to even sit around and relax. It really is. Cast it out, and within about 30 seconds, there's something full on the line. It's incredible. Perfect for kids, perfect for families. Anyone with a short attention span will love it. If there's one thing you can be sure about in the great outdoors, is that the experience is better shared. So bringing along a couple of eager helpers to unhook the fish when you've caught them is a great idea. It's a win-win situation. While I know it'd make for interesting viewing to see me get hooked with my own line and hooks, I don't want to. So I'm going to take my time untangling this sabaki rig. There we go. There we go. The bait that we're using today, are these small shrimps. Comes in a vacuum packed package, and it smells like fruit. So in true Japanese fashion, they've over-engineered it. So it's fruit scented shrimp. Fantastic. Don't forget, when you're in the mighty outdoors, be sun smart. Have your hat, your sunscreen, and your sunglasses. Protect yourself so you can keep enjoying the mighty outdoors for many, many years to come. Right, it's been another great afternoon here in the mighty outdoors. Did you kids enjoy fishing today? Yeah. How many fish do you think you caught?
I don't know, over 30.
Over 30, over 30 fish.
Or maybe over 35.
You looking forward to going home and eating them up?
Yep.
Excellent. So we've got this wonderful catch of mackerel back home. Of course, before we can do the big fry up and sit down and share them as a family for the evening meal, of course, we've got to clean it up. So it's not particularly difficult. You can see we've been busy already, but it's just a matter of cutting the head off, and then I like to use a pair of scissors just to cut up the belly and then scoop out the guts. And then we give them a rinse and go from there. So I'll just get to it. Easy peasy, Japanesey. So thanks very much for joining me in the Mighty Outdoors today, as we've been catching a ton of mackerel, and we've now taken them home and we've finished up a great day on the water with a great feed in the kitchen. These little mackerel have turned out really nice. After we've gutted them and boned them, splayed them open and put them in the frying pan, they've come out really lovely, and I tell you what, they are just good enough to eat. In fact, let's just have a taste of them right now. You can't beat fresh fish. It's better than the fish and chip shop. So listen, thank you very much. Again, hope you enjoyed this episode of the Mighty Outdoors, and we'll see you next time in the Mighty Outdoors. Hooroo!